I'm so bad at this live shit. This is about to hit my take profit, and I couldn't even go live in time. I think it has already.
Order filled.
Oh, it has. Damn. Here too. I'm just gonna close it. Oh yeah, I did. Wow, that was a nice take profit. Wow. Okay. I have to explain my trade now. Damn, I was supposed to be trading one of my friends, but my positions show up early. I know he's not up right now. I'm so sorry for the guy, bro. Okay, this should be an easy explanation. Give me a second. Let me put my laptop. So this was a position that I took pretty early because I had a feeling that we were going to manipulate. Not that I had a feeling. First of all, if we look at the market right now, we are bearish. If you go on the 1 hour candle, okay. If you go on the 1 hour candle, we are pretty bearish right now, okay? We are bearish moving off of this fair value gap that we already retested, and we created another one. So if we were to go bullish today, I was expecting a breakout here, take this as break even, and then we would hit this as take profit, okay? And I was also expecting we could just keep ranging down. We could just keep coming down. Just keep continuing the same movement we have, which was a better option for me. And it was also going to fit my daily profile because that's manipulation. Next session should reverse, or next session should come up, manipulate, and then reverse. So, which I don't always use. That's why I don't stick to the daily bias all the time. I just go with what the market is showing me. So that was about the direction. Now, why did I take this trade? So this right here, when we so this right here, when we created the opening range of the 8 to 815, that opening range was also created with a bearish engulfing candle. And at the same time, the opening range contained a bearish fair value candle, a bearish fair value gap, which is excellent. It's not something that happens often, almost slim to never, but it did happen today. So on the 15-minute that happened, and the next previous 15 minutes after that, proceeded to test that. It left it, then came right back down, closed outside of the opening range, and then created another one fair value gap, which was also respected. But this right here, when we close down, this one right here, because here you can see this one is better. So this candle closed with this fair value gap, and then it was retested right here. So you can see I took a position here and got out here. That's a completely different account because I couldn't keep it. Wow, it keeps running. But I got my position. Anyways, so it did that. Once it did that, the fair value gap right here, once this was retested on my, so after this candle closure right here, I took it. And then I was waiting for more confirmation because that is not enough confirmation. The 5 minute is good for a trade, but it's not enough for me to go with the big margin. Okay, so I was waiting for that, and then the M15 right here, once this one closed with a fair value gap on this one, it gave me more confirmation, which is why I went on here and I proceeded to put my entry. So you see, entry round. Are you wow? Wasn't even way earlier than that. My entry was around here. As you can see, this fair value gap in the 15-minute. I really entered after the 15-minute closure on my funded account because those ones, they have less risk tolerance. So after the closure of this fair value gap, after the closure of this 15-minute, which created a small enough fair value gap for me to enter, even though the fair value gap was not confirmed yet, I had other confluences that were showing me that we were going bearish. So I trusted it. That was a 50-50 fair value gap, but I trusted it because there was a previous fair value gap also right here. Okay, so this one was my entry. This was my break even. But as you can see, the moment price touched my break even, straight through my take profit. And I could have also stayed in the trade a little bit longer because the next target is actually here. Oh wow, we took it. Yeah, this would have been the next target. And then this is the next target, which I don't. We could take it, but depending on how the market is. But right now, the thing that I'm